Tell everyone what you've been waiting all week for.
Pina colada.
Yummy! Okay, ready to go to the Churchill here. Are you filming me?
Yes.
Oh my
Bon
God,
appétit.
it's gonna be so good. Look at this. Yum, this is what I'm really here for. Wow. Yummy.
Go ahead.
Cheers, guys.
You're laying.
I hate alcohol. Finally, the ambient elevator gets a little bit more interesting. Oh, I'm in Okay, this is basically turning into a what I eat in a day. Arthur's made some super duper yummy AF cauliflower. What are they?
Buffalo cauliflower. There you go. So those are like bite-sized cauliflower with like, we get like some sprinkle of cheese going on with that, and they're gonna be like fully crispy with some panko.
On va à la nouvelle maison, bébé. We go to the new house.
A snitch is human, but a rat?
Taking your pet, look, eat snitches and rats.
Okay, like the rain is crazy right now.
Oh, it's hail!
Oh my God, that's insane right
In
now.
Phoenix, Arizona, we have some hail.
That's not safe. Holy shit. Okay. We have pulled the car over here because it's snowing right now and I cannot even believe it. Okay, holy shit. Oh my God. I cannot believe this. Ah! This is so cool. It is snowing. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't go to the snow a lot. This is so fucking crazy right now. Okay, Arthur's fucking over it, but I'm not. Oh my God, holy shit. Okay, we're back at it with more food. It just doesn't stop. Okay, we normally don't eat out this much, but since we're leaving the area, as if we're going that far. We're not going that far, but we're leaving downtown, so we're eating all of our favorite shit before we go. And let me flip this around and show you what I got. Delicious Nami milkshake. So this one is vegan ice cream and Captain Crunch berries on it, which I don't always eat food coloring, but when I do, it's because of Nami. So here I go. And seriously, look at this sunset right here. So we're on the roof, we're gonna go check it out.
Does everything look like good? Is it on your image?
Mm-hmm. Oh my God, wow. That's beautiful. Yeah, we cannot miss out on this moment to take some pictures here.
Wow, it's beautiful, right?
Best day of the week. And we're right here at our favorite burrito place, Me Catering. Delicious, beautiful food everywhere. Okay, We have secured our burritos, our breakfast burritos, and now we're heading off to South Mountain because there are a bunch of clouds that are super low on the mountain and it looks like foggy AF, and we just want to go and see what's up and stick our head in the clouds. So we're gonna go on a little road trip that way. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys the view we have right now. It's pretty cool.
Real hot girl shit. Lay on my stomach to the up to the crowd, baby. Look back home.
Wow, oh my god.
I wish Flynn was with us.
Barely see shit right here. This is crazy.
I don't say that because I live in Arizona, but Arizona is really one of the most beautiful states I've ever been in my life.
Okay, Arthur wants to hike down here, so we are gonna hike down here.
Because I don't even know.
Wow. So we just walked from all the way up there, and I think we just found a seriously epic spot to do a couple's photo shoot. Okay, popping in again here to show off more of our favorite food downtown. Everything I've filmed so far is food. But this is one of our favorite places if you like Thai food. It's called Thai Restaurant Bistro, or Thai Recipe Bistro, I think, actually.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is their yellow curry. Arthur is not a big fan of spice, and we always share it. So we get zero spice on our curry.
What is that?
And bamboo shoot.
Yeah.
So we get zero spice and we love it. And then I get these. They're Thai veggie rolls with sweet and sour, and shit is fucking bomb. Really good. After a long, crazy week, we have this nice, beautiful, stormy view out here.